Here we have a 2019 69 plate BMW 320i M Sport Plus Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black, which are in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition, with the M Sport calipers just behind. As we come around to the front, you'll notice we've got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle, which includes a front splitter you can see just here, as well as a few other bits around the vehicle. We've then got the black kidney grills. We've got our second 19-inch alloy wheel just there, and the vehicle is finished in a graphite grey metallic exterior paintwork, which I don't know if the camera does it justice, but it looks absolutely fantastic in person. Now the car does also come with a BMW warranty until December 2022. We've then got some M badging, got the black side skirt at the bottom, privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows, black wing mirror, colour coded door handles, shark fin antenna on top. There's a look at that third alloy wheel. Now as we come to the back, we've got the spoiler lip just here. We've then got the rear diffuser with the dual exit exhausts at the bottom. We do have both front and rear parking sensors with reversing camera there too. We've then got a great size boot. As you can see, plenty of space for whatever you may need in the back of here. And as we come to the rear quarter, you'll see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now here's a look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go on to the interior, we've got full black Vinasca leather throughout, as you can see. We've then got the fold down armrest just here with 2 good sized cup holders. ISO fixed points within these seats. The seat belts themselves have the M Sports stitching. We've then got climate control in the middle. Coming onto the door, we've got the brushed metal handle, electric window control, integrated speakers, and the additional storage space down there. Now this vehicle does also come with the adaptive M chassis, definitely a point worth mentioning. We'll step inside. On the door here we've got electric power folding wing mirrors, we've got electric window control, child lock for the rear, lock and unlock button, brushed metal handle, integrated speakers and additional storage. We've got auto lights on the right just there. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 10,100 miles. Now, foot on the brake, start her up. We have got a digital display, as you can see just there, which will change depending on which driving mode you are in. Now, we've got our map in the middle just there as well. Now, we've got a multifunctional steering wheel with things like speed limiter and cruise control. We've then got phone controls, volume controls, etc. Paddle shifts just behind for taking manual control of the vehicle. Auto wipers on the right. And then we've got this lovely display screen in the middle for our infotainment screen. So we've got things like navigation. Then got different forms of media connectivity. Got radio, Spotify, music collection, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, etc. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to listen to music or to make calls. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have our reversing camera as well as visual display both there, and then we've got things like park assist, reversing assistant, camera picture, etc. Go back into park. We've then got different driving modes, so things like sport, as you can see just here, this will change for us in the middle, comfort, eco pro and adaptive. So it's great that the display does change depending on what mode you're in there as well, and you've got a view of that just there. Then if we come back into the middle and go into our settings, just 1 second, car, settings, interior lighting. We do also have ambient lighting, as you can see just there. We've got plenty of different colours we can choose as well. Really nice feature which looks fantastic at night time. Now moving down, we've then got our dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. We've got heated seats for both front passengers, which work exactly how they should. We've then got air conditioning as well, you can see just there. Moving down, we've got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've then got 2 good sized cup holders, USB. We've got additional storage, 12-volt connectivity there as well. Had that with that cover. We've then got our control wheel, buttons for the infotainment screen. There's a look at the home screen, what that looks like. Moving down, we've then got our gear stick, so you know we've got reverse, neutral, drive, and we can flick across and also take control of the gears like so. back into park. We've then got traction control, a button for our parking sensors, start stop technology. We've got our engine start stop button just there. We've got our dynamic mode select there, auto hold for the electronic handbrake as well. Now we've then got our soft touch leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage, and we do have a USB-C input just there too. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 320i M Sport Plus Edition. Now the purpose of this video is to show the vehicle drives as it should. And as you can see, lots of fight with steering to keep it in a straight line. We have paddle shift if you wish to take the car to manual mode, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. We're taking over the paddle shift now, so push down mid 7th, 6th, 5th, back up to 6th, back into 6th, and into 8th, and then we're going to let the car take over. We do have lane assist, so if you start veering off to the left or to the right, the car will then bring you back into the middle of the road. So this is a very safe car. Now the roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. We do have the cruise control and speed limiter on the multifunction steering wheel. So to activate, simply press the dial in the centre, push, and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. To adjust it, there's a little toggle on the left hand side. Push up very slightly and it'll just by one. Push up until you feel a click and it'll just to the nearest 5 miles an hour. To cancel, either press the brake or just tap it again and it'll cancel. Now we do have satellite navigation in the centre, as well as media connectivity, phone connectivity. As well, you have the full Dakota leather front seats, which are very comfortable. So you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get off feeling fresh. As well, they're heated, so for those cold mornings, it does really make all the difference. Now we are as car sales, we've been doing deliveries past 3-4 years now. And with the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Us, we felt like quite well prepared. Beforehand, we did nationwide next day delivery, and I do contactless nationwide next day delivery. And we also sanitise our hands and the keys before we get into any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. Now we are a 5-star dealership with about 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now, I'm going up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right. I'm going to before an emergency stop, put it straight into reverse and just show you the brakes work as they should, and so does the rear reversing camera, so that's the front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, I'm going to go hard in the brakes. Now, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and also no unwanted knocks or bangs, and again straight back into drive, no issues whatsoever. If you're driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this video, there hasn't been any. We do accept part exchanges, so feel free to get in contact with the office and they'll be able to discuss that further with you. As well, if you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact, as we can do a FaceTime video where we walk around the car, show you bits we may have missed, and also answer questions we may not have answered. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.